guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about what's in my drawer. It's like a new content. I thought of it, okay?
बार बार झूठ बोलो जो भी बोल सकते हैं सब
So today I'm going to unveil my drawer. You have seen in my vlogs that this is a huge drawer over here. Like this is a huge. I'm not going to draw. Obviously not gonna to unveil all of this. Like this is not like these all are not mine. Obviously, this is सामान किसी पास होता है. So from in this one, I'll just show you guys. If we say like these two is my brother, and the last one is mine, so I'm going to unveil today that one, and I'm not unveiling white one because it's not fill only. I have to make an organization video जो मेरे को बना ही नहीं कोई नहीं मिल रहा जब से मेरी बुक्स बाहर पड़ी है. Seen in my vlogs कितनी बड़ी है हमारे पास एक drawer in my room. So not all of the sections are mine, only the downward in this one is mine. I'm going to show you guys. So if you can see, these two are of my brother, and the last one is of mine because I have one white one as well. So it's like a sufficient storage for me because my brother studies in 10th, so he needs a lot storage. So he has one in his room, and here it is. So yeah, I'm going to unveil the last one. I'm not going to unveil the white one because I'm going to make an organization video. और white वाली पूरी खाली है if I say. It's like fully empty because मुझे organization video बनानी है, मेरे को time ही नहीं मिल रहा है, and books भी बेचारी बाहर ही पड़ी है. Yeah, so वीडियो को चालू करने से पहले सब्सक्राइब किया कि नहीं किया तो कर लो, उनकी मत सुनो. Okay, so let's get started. This is the rack as I told you. ये बहुत easily खुल जाती है.
Later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later.
So that you can also see me. This is the मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है. मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ तो मैं खोल ही नहीं पा रही. अब मैं पक्का करूँगी. Yeah. So over here there's a lot of stuff. First is this sheet. So this is the packet in which I keep dark wali papers and the katte phatte paper hota means that I've used a little but I've not used the like very much of that. So I'll show you guys. देख सकते हैं, you can see I've not used very much of that. I have used that, and even in this I can see a decorative material which is these beads. You can if you want anything from these, I will be giving the link of the description of these A4 sheets and these beads. Well, I bought it offline, but मैं पूरी कोशिश करके आपको description में link दे दूँगी. So yeah, this is the first sheet. Then this is the next package is the cartridge white sheet. This is very important if you do doodling artwork on white sheets because it's very hard and it's very sturdy and very good quality of drawing. जैसे आपके अच्छे हो ना हो, it comes very like bright, nice, and these kinds of sheets. So I'm going to give the link in the description while I bought it offline. Then I have this stool pad in which there's like a doodling in this over here. I never displayed this doodling though. Then over here more doodling, Gandhi ji. Then we have some rough things. Yeah, then we have a lot of stuff though. Oh wow, this one is nice and I'll show you guys. This is made by me. This is seriously made by me. I am truthful right now. But ये बता देती हूँ कि मैंने ट्रेस किया था. So yeah, इतना परफेक्ट कोई नहीं बना पाता तो आर्टिस्ट होते क्योंकि ये आर्ट
एक आर्ट है आर्ट.
दिस कलरफुल शीट जो मैंने अभी यूज़ नहीं करी है. These are like a new packet of it, and yeah, so these are 3 sheets and a pad over here. I keep it like this because ये दिखता भी नहीं है and it's very, you know what, convenient to keep more stuff. Then over here I have a pouch in which there is like a lot of pens. Like there's so beautiful pens as well. I'll show you guys. Like first that I'll show you that is this one. This is a light pen that was gifted as a return gift to by my friend Trisha Gurwal. She gifted as a birthday return gift, and it is very beautiful. It says my name, if you can see, and it has light as well. I never use it because it's very beautiful. Tell me real light. Okay, now it works. So yeah, this is very beautiful pen. Gelatin. I have a lot of good one pens like that work very good, and these are so beautiful ones. And these are the pen which looks very beautiful, and I don't use it. सबके साथ होता है. Just girls comment down below that you get a very beautiful thing and you never use it. Just keep it with yourself. But boys are like. So the next is this highlighter which I tried to use in a 5-minute craft hack जो बिल्कुल ही work नहीं किया. मेरा highlighter खराब हो गया. That's the truth. Then I have these plastic crayons from Doms. Then I have these pencil colors from Apsara. These are premium one, and that's so good. That works so like a charcoal pencil. It works so nice. I think light is flashing. Okay, then it's like a small artwork kept here. I made it in my art campus. It says a cycle and 2-3 और है. I have a huge pouch which is like sequence one. इसके अंदर इतने सारे पेन है. नहीं, इसके अंदर pouch. Then here is like took sharpener, 2 new pencils, and there are a bunch. There are a lot of pens in here. You can see if you can see. Yeah. This is very convenient because ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है, and इसमें हम कितने भी कुछ भी ठूस सकते हैं, like कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. So then this is my beautiful diary, which is my personal diary. I can show you inside, but this has sequins. It's very soft sequins and it's very nice. मैंने बहुत कम लिखा है इसमें, तो मैं आपको वो दिखा सकती हूँ. It's like interleaf and it has my sequins. मैंने बहुत कम लिखा है, मैं इसको यूज़ नहीं करती because it's again very beautiful. Then I have this Pentonic pen का डिब्बा which I got in my birthday gift. If you haven't watched that video, click. I'll give the link in the description अगर मुझे याद रहा तो. So these are like 4 pens left in these. में बहुत सारे डिजास्टर हो गए. मैं लाइक सीधे बैठी थी, मैं नीचे गिर गई और मेरा एक पेन खो गया डिब्बे में से निकल कर. पता नहीं कितना डिजास्टर वीडियो है यार. गॉन रॉन्ग लगाऊंगी मैं इसके टाइटल में. बिल्डिंग माई रैक गॉन रॉन्ग, क्योंकि मैं इतनी तेज़ गिरी ना. सीरियसली आई एम नॉट ट्रस्टिंग दिस मूडा नाउ, आई प्रॉमिस. ओके, सो या देन दिस इज अ ह्यूज बॉक्स. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई शो यू वन बाय वन. दिस इज अ मॉडलिंग ब्राउन कलर का क्ले. देन दिस इज लाइक अ होस विच यू यूज इन क्रिएटिंग ईयरिंग्स और की चेन्स. देन दिस इज अ synthetic ribbon and this paper ribbon, and this is some quilling one which I made. Then these are hoops for earrings. Then there's a highlighter, quilling stuff, keychains, synthetic clay. I made something, and there's a quilling tool, and that's it. I'm very organized in my precious things because these hoops are very precious to me because they're so small and they're so, you know what, useful कि अगर वो खो भी जाते हैं तो वापस नहीं मिलते. Okay. Then I have this box which has like Rakhi ke waste materials, which has many beads. If I can show you guys. Yeah, so it has these stuff. And then I have this Reach Bakery का डिब्बा. इसमें मैंने रिबन रखा है. रिबन रखा है. Then I have one more huge pouch which says Happy Heart, Happy Smile, which I bought from Lifestyle Mall like a year back. So yeah, this is very sturdy. and it has a lot of my sketch pens. It has sketch pen, whiteboard markers, etc. things. पता नहीं कितनी बड़ी वीडियो होने वाली है because it's full of disasters. Then last thing जो है वो मेरी graph notebook है. I have like these 2 graph notebooks. मैं दोनों निकाल रही हूँ वरना तो इधर भी डिजास्टर हो जाएगा. वो हो चुका है, मैं दिखा देती हूँ. राइट से यू कैन सी कितना बड़ा डिजास्टर हो चुका है. मेरे को बाहर बैठ के थोड़ा ठीक करना पड़ेगा इसको. बट नाउ इट्स अ लिटिल परफेक्ट. सो इतना ही है मेरी छोटी सी प्यारी सी मोटी सी डिजास्टर वाली रैप. So this was today's video. Hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. So किस किस ने अपना फ़ोन पूरा टिल्ट किया जो मैंने किया, कमेंट पे ज़रूर बताना. अगर कोई मेरी पागल चीज़ से कोई अट्रैक्ट हुआ होगा. या दिस टुडेज वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड द बेल आइकॉन. सो इसमें बहुत सारे डिजास्टर थे. मैं इतनी तेज़ नीचे गिर गई हूँ, मेरे को टिटनेस लगने वाला है. पता नहीं न्यू वीडियो कब आएगी, बट याद रखिएगा 5 बजे ही आएगी. सो यार So yeah, today's shout out, मैंने shout out देना बंद कर दिया था, but then also I'll say today's shout out goes to Gracie. Thank you Gracie for subscribing to my channel. So keep supporting me so that I can be a big huge family. And if I forgot something, I'm really sorry. And it's a disaster video. Give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, bye guys. I'll be bringing the new video very soon at 5. So stay tuned. Now, wait till the next video. Until then, goodbye. Brrrara, brrrara.